Hi YouTube, this is Tammy Sue Stufflebeam, Royce by identification card only. I have one thing to say about witchcraft and about power. Power comes from the atmosphere. It comes from nature. You cannot get power from a book. You cannot get power from a card. And you cannot get magic from a card or a book. And you can't get it from a stone. You can only get it from the atmosphere, by becoming the atmosphere. And that is it's the only place you can get power. For nature is power itself. Like you compare thunderstorms, so unexplained, and yet so much power that can create chaos and destruction. You take volcanoes, earthquakes, tsunamis, and things like that. Those are all natural power. And they're all led by a source of nature. Nature is the most common power there is. And nature is the most powerful power in the whole wide world, in the whole universe.